Greetings to one and all. Let's learn present perfect continuous tense. Actually, if you will know the answers of forthcoming 8 questions, you will never forget the present perfect continuous tense. So keep watching this video till the end. What are the forms of present tense? In this tense, there are 4 forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense is also called as present perfect progressive tense. In this video, it is important to know that the present perfect continuous tense is one of the 4 forms of the present tense. What is the present perfect continuous tense? Look at these examples. I have been playing football. You have been writing a letter. He has been typing an email. Sam has been reading a book. All of these examples are of present perfect continuous tense. What is the sentence structure of present perfect continuous tense? Subject plus have has plus been plus V4 plus object. Subject is the doer of action. Have has are the auxiliary or helping verbs. Been is the past participle of the verb be. V4 form is the present participle of the main verb. Object is the receiver of action. What is the state of an action in present perfect continuous sentence? In this tense, the verb shows that the action is going on continuously and not completed at the present moment. Where can we use the present perfect continuous tense? It is used for an action which began at some time in the past and still continuing. For example, we have been writing a project since 5 o'clock. Where else can we use the present perfect continuous tense? Sometimes it is used for an action already complete, often as an explanation of something. For example, why are you so tired? I have been working in the garden. Here, I have been working in the garden is an explanation of the question, why are you so tired? How to practice present perfect continuous tense? As follows, collect and practice some examples from a day-to-day life. I dash dash for my friend for a day. He dash dash on the right path since childhood. In the blank spaces concerned, you have to use the appropriate form of the verb wait and walk in order to make these sentences in present perfect continuous tense. What are the books that you can use to know more about present perfect continuous tense? English Grammar in Use by Raymond Murphy. Oxford Practice Grammar Intermediate by J. Eastwood. Oxford Practice Grammar Advanced by G. Yule. High School English Grammar and Composition by Renan Martin. Basic English Grammar B. Azhar, Prentice Hall Regents. These are the very good English grammar books that you can use to enhance your knowledge. I have also referred to these books in order to make this video. Did you find this video useful? If yes, please like and share it. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive videos regarding English language, motivation and more. Thank you. What is my next video about? In my next English video, you shall learn the simple past tense. See you soon.